So how do you set a label to a text field? So to start with, we need a label. So let's just click on that and get a label, and then we also want a text field, right? So let's put that in there, and I'm not going to mess around with the UI. You can sort of lay it out how you want. So the first thing we need to do is create an outlet for the label, so we can kind of code to it. So let's call it a label. Keep it nice and simple for this. Just get rid of that. Right. So then we want an outlet for the text field as well. So let's put this up the top here. So let's call this a text field. And then we want to write a function from this text field. So I'm going to control drag down here. And I'm going to change the event to primary action triggered. And then with a text field, that means if they press the enter key on the keyboard, then the function runs. So let's call this like text field entered, maybe, right? So in here, quite simple. Now this is where you could go and store the text field entry to a variable if you want and stuff like that. But you could actually literally just go straight in and go label.text is going to be assigned to the text field, right, .text, just like that, really simple. If we build and run it, let's have a look. Wait for it to load. This is on Intel, so not M1. So we've got a text field. I'm going to put some text in so that get the keyboard up. So like, let's go, use the keyboard maybe, so hello, right, and then hit enter. So the label up here should change to hello. There you go, so change to hello. So it's working. You might want to go into the label in the inspector and like remove that so that it disappears, but it's still sort of there. The only thing you need to make sure is that, what I've noticed is that it kind of becomes, this is where the document outline is quite useful, to grab it and then stretch it out. Yeah, because it kind of goes to nothing. So now if we run it again, it would look a bit better because you're going to have like no text and then it will suddenly appear once you enter something in the text field. So here you go. So this time, let's go hello. And Command and K gets the keyboard up. So now if we hit return, it suddenly appears out of nowhere. Very nice.